So in this video, you'll learn how to import and export passwords on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just navigate to the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select the option Security and Privacy. Under Security and Privacy, you're then going to look for more security settings and you're going to tap on it. From here, tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill, and then you want to ensure that your preferred service is set to Google. If it's not, then you're just going to tap on the settings icon, choose Google, and then confirm your choice. Go back, and then now you can select Google. From here, you need to confirm that the autofill is set to Google. And once you've confirmed that, you'll then just tap on this option, Google Password Manager. From here, you're then going to navigate to Settings. And under Settings, you should see two options, Export Passwords and Import Passwords. So if you wish to export passwords, you're just going to tap on it and tap on export and just go through the process of exporting your passwords. If you choose to import passwords, you're going to tap on it, go through the process step by step as shown on your screen on how you can import the passwords. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.